In June 2023, downstream distributions Rocky and Alma Linux discovered several updates were missing from the public source code repository of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. A week or two later, Red Hat confirmed via blog post that these and all future updates would be withheld in an action intended to impede the operations of downstream rebuilders. Stop taking my things! You have to share! And why am I always the one who has to bring the football? You can play with Elevate. Yeah, and Peridot. I don't want to hear it, Rocky. I can build my own code. Thanks, Rocky. I can ask CIQ if they'll let you play with Optainer or Werewolf. CIQ? He stole my rockets! I was supposed to go to the moon, not him! You know what? I'm not playing with you anymore. My subscribers are more fun than you guys anyway. Was that even his ball? Hey Oracle, looks like Red Hat isn't sharing anymore. Oracle seems busy. What's your take, Alma? Not good, is it? We'll chat the community, figure out a way forward. Oracle? Okay, Rocky? Hey, it sucks, but it's not like we had a nice Git repo back when Greg started CentOS. We'll grab the source from somewhere else. It'll be fine. Oracle, you got any thoughts? I don't think Oracle's going to join us in this one. Who are we fighting? No, Oracle, we're not fighting anyone. We're giving statements about the Red Hat source code changes. Red Hat? That IBM b****. I've got a statement for him right here. No, Oracle. Oh, hey, Suze. Fork 'em. Excuse me? I'm going to fork them. Oh, fork. But don't you already have your own free and paid distros? More the merrier, right? Why not? I like a good party. Has anybody checked in Oracle? Should we get him a coffee to sober up? No! Do you remember the last time we went for coffee with Oracle? Yeah, the barista offered him a nice cup of Java, but he smashed the till on the floor and started screaming something about a licensing audit. Oh. Hey. Already, not again. This video is a work of fiction. It does not represent the views of any party, including me. There is no evidence Oracle is an alcoholic or that Red Hat knows how to play football. They probably call it soccer and think football is a game played with your hands.